Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export the video in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our project. From here we just go into a project that we want to export. And here in the project, in the top right corner, we find an upward pointing arrow. We tap on this, and then the video is going to be exported, and we can just share it right away on one of our social media sites, platforms, and it's saved, as you can see here, in the project folder that has been created by the CapCut app. And yeah, we just tap on done and it's done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.